our topic for today is first conditional. Hello, my name is Deadly and I'm going to be your teacher today, and today we're going to learn first conditional. So first conditional is another way to talk about conditions. In this case, the cause is real, but the consequence can be a probability. The first thing that we need to take into account is to know how to use it. So we are going to use for future plans, warning something, make promises to obtain something back, or use blackmailing. The structure. We're going to use if to say the condition, okay? The condition is going to be in present simple, okay? And the consequence is going to be in future. In this case, it's quite important to use the comma. Or we can do it in another way. Future simple first as the consequence, then we use if, and the cause we can leave it at the end. Let's talk about the future clause. We can use will or going to, that are the verbs for simple future, or we can also use modal verbs. For example, can, might, should, or must. Let's check some examples. If you study hard, you will get good grades. Okay, in this case, we are going to use will. Or I can say, I will go to the beach if I have vacations in this month. Another way to use it is going to, remember? So I can say, if I don't have too much work tomorrow, I'm going to the cinema. Or we can use modal verbs. In this case, we are going to use can or should. We can go to the party if I don't have homework. You should go to the library if you need that book. That's all for today, so I hope that this explanation helped you a lot. Bye!